Close your eyes for a second. Imagine a lab, a coffee cup, a pile of papers, and in the corner, a whispering machine called the Clockwork Siren. They say it once gave one perfect, unforgettable peek to a young scholar, and a story spread like an urban legend. That legend is our door. It forces a scientific question and a human one. Why can one past climax feel so definitive that nothing else measures up? What does science say, and what can you do right now to change the story? Let's treat this like an experiment in the philosophy of science. First rule, observe without judgment. Your memory of that past peak is data, not destiny. Neuroscience shows reward systems, learn intensity, and novelty. Psychology shows expectation shapes experience. Philosophers remind us reproducibility matters, but human subjects are stubbornly variable. So become both scientist and curious subject of your own life. Practical step 1, make a small private journal, an orgasm diary. But simple. No date, mood, sleep, what you watched or thought about, who you were with, if anyone. And then one sensory word, warm, distant, sharp, soft. Patterns emerge faster than you expect. Step 2, sensory mapping. This is playful, not clinical. Spend 5 minutes touching texture. Silk, cool metal, a warm mug. Main sensations out loud, then in privacy. Do the same with your body, not as a goal-seeking mission, but as a mapping expedition. The point is to shift from chasing a remembered peak to exploring what is happening now. Step 3, ruthlessly vary the condition. The philosophy of science loves controlled variable. Try different times of day, different music, different lighting, different pace of breathing. Change only one thing at a time. Treat each session as a mini experiment. Note the result, hypothesize, repeat. Novelty resets neural threshold.
Step 4.
Work with breath and present. Quick breathing shifts chemistry. Slow breathing builds parasympathetic tone. A short 3-minute breathing routine before any intimate moment helps shift expectation into sensation. Combine it with short mindfulness. Notice 5 immediate sensations in the brain, and you'll be surprised how much the remembered peak loosens its grip. Step 5. Use technology thoughtfully. The Clockwork Siren is a fable. The devices exist that translate rhythm and pressure into reproducible feedback. If you explore tech, choose reputable devices, read product science, and think ethically. Consent, safety, hygiene. If the past peak causes distress or avoidance, seek a trained sex therapist. Books like Come As You Are translate science into practice. And remember this, memory is persuasive, but it is not obsolete. With curiosity, simple experiments, and a scientist patient, you can expand your map of pleasure beyond that one life. Try one small experiment this week. Write the result, and let the lab of you keep surprising you.